Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. I'm so glad that you guys have stopped by today and taken some time out of your busy schedule. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like this channel and my content. Don't forget to hit the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your loyalty to my channel. I so appreciate it, and taking the time out again to share my unboxings. So today I have a new box to my channel, and I found out about this box off of Vicki Weeks' channel, and don't ask, but I always forget the name of her channel. It's California Week. She changed it, and I just can't get the new name, but it's California Week, and I will leave her link below. She does some great unboxings, clothing, just pretty much the same as I do. And she kept showing this box, and I'm like, I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna get it. And I finally broke down and got it. And it is the pink box. I think that's the name of it. See if I make, it's the Pink Box Delivery is the name of it. And last month when she got it, it came in a cactus box. Everything on the box was cactus. And after I saw that, I'm like, I'm getting that box because I'm so in love with cactus. As you can tell, I have a cactus blanket thanks to Vicki. She had sent me that. This box wasn't wrapped in cactus. It had, the label was pineapples. So I'm not sure what's in here. It has this old car on here, and the box is pink. It's a little damaged, but I don't think anything inside the box was damaged. And of course I'm dropping it on the floor. So I'm filming a couple videos today, and it happens to be Tuesday, Cinco de Mayo. So I filmed my Stitch Fix box, and I'm filming this box. So because it was Cinco de Mayo, I'm working on my margarita. So if you're new to my channel, I normally do not drink, but I thought, how fun would it be? I'm home alone, I can drink, we're having some friends over later, so hopefully they won't notice that I drank. But anyway, it comes in this cute box, and it says, beep beep, your pink box delivery has arrived. And there's a note, and it must be what's in here, because I see something says, with the nail salons and spas closed, I'm guessing you're like the rest of us, and your nails can use a little TLC. And I was painting them myself, and I gave up because with washing your hands so much and putting everything on there, and because we're home so much more, we used to go out to dinner, I'm loading the dishwasher more, and I just gave up. So it's got the little green with the car sticker on there, and I will leave the link for this. I forgot how much it is. I want to say it's like 40, 45, I can't remember, but after everything I saw Vicki take out of her box, I thought it was kind of worth it to give it a try. And here is this cute little bag. This bag is not a toy. I do have to remember that since I am drinking today. And if I remember correctly, I think this was an eyeglass case. And now that I'm using scissors and drinking, I really have to be careful. So what are your plans for Cinco de Mayo? Are you having friends over? Are you just doing Taco Tuesday at your house? I know they're lifting some restrictions. So this is the case, and I thought it was, let's see. So I think you can put sunglasses in here, and then it's got a little pouch on the back, so you can put cards or money. Now, we had to go to Walmart, and they had these blow-up pools for $25. I think they're like 10 foot by 6 or 8 foot. It's enough that I can sit in the pool and put my little floaty thing for my water bottle and just sit in there, and it's so nice. So I can use this to put my sunglasses and stuff, so I can walk to the backyard and sit in my pool. So that is nice. And, oh, I see jewelry. It's a cute little case, so don't make fun of me. I mean, obviously there's no pools open anywhere around us, but it just was so nice to sit in that pool. Oh, I don't know if Vicky got these. Now these are so pretty. I have to make sure they're not too heavy for my ears. They would probably go with the top I'm wearing now. So I do like those. And then it has a blue bracelet with a little charm. Of course, I can't read that, it's so little. But I will put that on. So that is fun. And Lavender Sage Complete. Oh, it's a 4-step spa kit. I can do this myself. But it is fun. It has got, I think Vicky got this and she might have sent it to me, but you can't have too much of this. This is the, oh, it's step 4. Already I'm not following it. Lavender and Sage, step 3. So I'll have to read what the different steps are, but I think one's a soak. So I think you use these for your nails, and you might be able to use them for your toes. So I'm definitely gonna try them. So even if Vicky sent them to me, I mean, your nails and toes are not gonna go away. And I think I heard in Arizona they might be opening the salons like the 11th, but they're not gonna open them like for, you know, everybody. So can you imagine the wait to get into a hair or nail salon? And my hair is so bad, I'm thinking they're gonna charge me double to do my hair. So yeah, that's just gonna be a disaster. And I think she got this. I think this was a, I have to go back and read the sheet. Obviously it's gonna clash with what I've got on, but it looks like it has like some beaded fringe at the bottom. God, they get all this stuff in such a little box. Not sure. And it's so funny, I have, and I can link it above, I got Life's a Wave box, and I got a like a towel in there that, so I sent it to Vicky because she lives right by the ocean. So, but this actually has a hole in the head, a hole in the top here. So this I definitely can wear because I can wear it when I go in the backyard to my blow-up pool. And I think I have a picture of my blow-up pool with the floaty. I will leave it at the end of the video. So this is adorable. I would stand up, but I don't have enough room here, and I don't think I can stand and drink at the same time. But this is so cute. So Vicky, I'm glad you got it because I'm not sending it to you. So I do love this. And there's a couple, oh, there's sunglasses in here. this is a great box. Again, I'll leave a link and how much it is and everything, because I kept watching her unbox it, and the kicker for me was when it has the cactus. It had the cactus box. As you know, I collect cactus because I live in Arizona. We have dream catchers all over the house. I live in a total man cave. Okay, are you ready? We get a lot of sunglasses in boxes, so I'm getting brave. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, what do you think? I already know I'm a movie star because I got a pair of sunglasses in another box. But is this not like the best box ever? Are you allowed to drink on YouTube? I don't know. So I'm putting a disclaimer. This isn't really liquor in here. Right. Okay, and I think there is one more thing in the box. Vicki, I'm glad you talked me into getting this box. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, it might be a mirror. I was hoping it was something for my pool. I probably should take this sunglasses off. I can't see a thing. Yeah, so I'm starting to add some new lifestyle boxes. As you can see why it's more fun to play with. Oh, it's a pill box, that's right. Like I need pills. So it is the cutest pill box. So yeah, Vicki did get this box, but her wrapping was different than mine. But this is really cute. So I could actually put the aspirin that I'm gonna need for my huge hangover that I'm gonna have tomorrow. I'm not sure when I'm gonna post this video. So the note says, I don't think there's any prices in here, but it's a cute little note. So we got the this adorable cover up, the glasses, the pill box, this set, and this case, which is super, super cute. And oh, it's got the little backers. I'd say I try to put them on. That goes with the cover up. So I just thought this was a great box. And I'm looking forward to next month's box because this is just great. So leave comments below. Let me know what you thought of this box. I know I'm a little quirky. The heat's getting to me. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.